Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I did this Atlas GP40 Pan Am number 352, added the ditch lights to it, added the Tsunami sound to it, and then did the custom weathering. So there's the headlights, and there's the ditch lights. So I used a larger resistor and I toned down the ditch lights to match the headlights. So that's a 30K resistor in there. I usually use a 1.5K, but it matches it almost perfectly. So and this is the newer Silver Series run that has the dual speakers in it, as opposed to a mini oval. And that's basically it. You get the idea. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.